In the previous video or previous slide, what we understood is we talked about mathematical expressions and algebraic expressions. So let's just take the same example, 2x plus 3. So this is my algebraic expression. So what is an equation? Looking at the definition, it says it means equality. I'm equaling that particular expression to something else with an equal sign. So if I'm going to use equal sign for this, equals to 0. Doesn't have to be 0, it can have any values. We'll look into different examples here. So for example, for this example, let's look at it and just try to find out what are the things that we need to know in an equation. So that's a equal sign which says value of this, which is LHS, and this is RHS. LHS is left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side of the equal sign and right hand side of the equation. So what does it mean? It says the value of left hand side is equals to this value, which is 0, when we give a certain value, when we assign certain value or a number to the variable x. So there is some value that exists in such a way that by putting that value for the variable x, LHS is going to become RHS. Don't worry about how to find the value of x from these equations, because that's a different video where we'll explore how to find value of x with different techniques. So now only understand what is an equation and how you can recognize different types of equations. There are different ways of solving equations based on whether it has degree 1, degree 2, degree 3, different ways of finding values. So just let's understand equations. So now let's take another example. 2x plus 5 equals to 5x. Doesn't matter. So I still have variable in this equation and a constant, and I have coefficients. To solve these equations, you also need to know algebraic expression operations on algebraic expressions. So just for now, just understand what is an equation, and we equate something to something else, which is RHS equals to LHS, or LHS equals to RHS. So let's take another example. In your daily life, if I just want to give an example from your daily life, let's say rupees 100 is equals to how many coins of 50 paise, 50p. Or if I'm talking about $100 is equals to how many coins of 50 cents. So we know that each rupee actually has 2 50 paise, 0.50 50 paise, which is actually going to give me 1 rupee. If I write this as an equation, rupees 100 is equals to x into 0.50. Rupees 100 equals to, I don't know the value of x, but just by, as we know, 1 rupee is equals to 2 coins of 50p, so it actually makes up around 200 coins. So we need to find the value of x here. So let's find the value of x in some other video. This will be our daily example. There are so many such examples that you can actually use value a variable and find the value of the variable depending on the equation itself. So now let's understand a little bit more. So in an equation, what are the important things? A polynomial equation. it contains variable and it has exponent term and then coefficients. In this, what did we recognize? So we have a coefficient here, and this is a variable, that's a constant, and on top of that exponent. So this has power 1, so that is that exponent. So that's these are the main things that an equation is supposed to have. Okay, so now that you understood equations, let's move on to types of equations.